Happy Monday, everyone, and thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your extreme weather outlook. And we're keeping an eye on a very active East Pacific, even the Central Pacific, with a number of named storms and a pretty powerful hurricane in Georgette. But spotty severe weather concerns around across parts of the nation and that eastern very warm weather. So here's a look at Tropical Depression DARBY from earlier Monday. You can actually see the Hawaiian Islands getting dumped on by significant rainfall. There were some reports of flash flood rescue. And it looks like DARBY now is going to be working away from the islands. But again, very heavy rainfall was associated with that, along with some gusty winds and pretty extreme surf. And then just to the southwest of that, or southeast of that, we have Georgette, and then Frank just east of that, closer to California, Baja California. But Georgette was a pretty powerful hurricane. You can see the well-defined eye and then shrinking as we headed into early Monday morning. Track continues to show some decreased intensity in that and then traveling a little bit farther west. Now we talk about our severe weather concern today, mainly in the northeast, is a slight risk from Virginia into east West Virginia to northern Virginia, and then back up into New York and also out to western Massachusetts. So showers and thunderstorms late this afternoon and evening could be severe with large hail and damaging winds and also some heavy rain. And then as we head into Tuesday, seeing a slight risk from South Dakota, Nebraska, and then that threat continues on Wednesday. So again, kind of watching this next impulse of energy to kick out a couple of days of thunderstorms within those areas. But heavy rainfall on the order of 1 to 2 plus, maybe some 3 to 4 plus inch tallies in the central U.S. down into the Gulf Coast states. Nice to see that monsoonal moisture continue in the southwest. But here's our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook to show that we're going to be warmer than average in the western U.S. and the eastern U.S. But today in the eastern U.S. we are warmer than average by about 10 to 15 degrees. Number of excessive heat advisories and warnings there, where today the heat index in D.C. could be closing in on 110.